Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to 360 mode on your GoPro Max 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to film in 360. Maybe you're about to snowboard or maybe you're about to go skiing. How do you actually go ahead and film in 360 mode on your GoPro Max 2? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, we're going to go ahead and turn on our GoPro Max 2. And what you're going to go ahead and do is that you're going to go ahead and swipe down. And then once you swipe down, you're going to click on the bottom right where it says camera mode. So right now we're on single lens camera mode. So click on that and it's going to go ahead and switch you to camera mode 360. Now, if you press on it again, it's going to switch you back to single lens camera mode. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch to 360 mode on your GoPro Max 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.